Hi, this is Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. This time we're looking at the Cartazio 5-piece kitchen tool hood and grease cleaning set. And that's a mouthful, but I tell you what, when you've got that kind of mess to clean up, most of the time, yeah, you may need the larger tools, but these are handy when you've got to get into those small corner crevices and you don't want to go scratching everything up. So you've got two different spatulas. You got one at an angle, plus you've got one that's straight. You've got three different brushes. So you've got, looks like one copper, and there's one that's metal, and then you've got a nylon one. So depending on the stovetop you're having to clean, yeah, you don't want to get those scratched up. But if you're getting something down into some of the burners, who cares about scratches? You need to get it clean. So thing number one, these are good for small areas. Number two, you've got, like I said earlier, a variety of brushes to deal with. And number three, you've got heavy duty scrapers for those gas burners. And even though they burn gas, they're gonna soot up and they're gonna get a little bit dirty. So this gives you a way of keeping those as clean as you could expect. So take a look at this one and see about adding them to your assortment of tools today.